What's up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video of Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to some femmes from NZ. So we're going to be reacting to VILLZ VISIONZ, Scaff Life feat Lucifer, I don't want to say that, Lucifer and Z or Z, not too sure what. So mixed and mastered by VILLZ and video directed by VILLZ and beats by Ocean Beats. Not bad. So before we get into this video, just wanted to say if you're new to my channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it heaps, and if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom. Don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos for you guys. But yeah, other than that, we got some poly merch we want to promote today as well. PolyMovement, please fans, check out VILLZ VISIONZ on YouTube, and please subscribe and help share the love. 100%. Subscribe to the channel and watch the official video on there, and share it on your social medias, please. So I'm wearing Ainga Usos for Life is the name on Instagram for you guys to check out. So shout out to the brother in Brisbane for the gear, appreciate it heaps. Let's go. And I'm wearing Toko Usole Movement. Check them out on Facebook and Instagram. They're from New Zealand. They're two Samoans and one Tongan brother, and they do DJ, they do printing, of course, obviously, and they also do videography. Talented bunch of baskets, you know. Damn, humble guys. 100%, man. Hey fams, without further ado, let's get in. Sounds familiar.
Grip, swing it, click it, squeeze it, tube and clip or with system, drink, sleep and repeat it. Grip, swing it, click it, squeeze it, tube and clip or with system, drink, sleep and repeat it. What you know about tube and clip? Give me tube and doubles and I'll hang that shit. This man's too quick like a sink.
Excuse me, what do you know about Bad and Booze?
Yeah, that's it.
That's my jam right there. Bad and Booze definitely has that vibe.
That was our first ever.
Yeah, reaction. This clip, it reminds me of another song. And
he does the
yeah, the
Mounty Bottle.
Yeah, something like that. Damn, not bad, bruh.
Clip. Give me tube and doubles and I'll hang that shit. This man's too quick like a sinking ship. I've been in the game too long to quit. Who's gonna drive this truck? Who's gonna climb this truss? Who's gonna hold this up? And I still don't give no fucks. Come through swinging the swing over ducks. You know this level when I leave. Trust me, they don't know about this thing. Swing to the fat bitch things. Cause I still do OT. Serve to the ups and things with passion. Pull up and shh. Watch them cash out while I cash it. So I got the pull up long gym.
Yeah, it's like a mix of a lot of Aussie type of lyrics and flows and stuff like that. I just want to say, I saw their reviews.
Yeah, I saw that too. I saw the moron shirt on there.
Yeah. And who needs a mask when you can just cut a hiver's awful and put it on, you know? Far out.
Tongan styles.
Yeah, they're creative, man, I tell ya. I'm telling you, man.
Hey, grip it, swing it, click it, squeeze it, tube and clip or with system, drink, sleep and repeat it. Grip it, swing it, click it, squeeze it, tube and clip or with system, drink, sleep and repeat it. Don't have a reason for rapping at work, but you wanna save money, huh? Somebody once told me to put in the work and to prove that I'm worthy. I know you don't know me, but listen up, homie, cause you ain't the only one. You better be ready, I know you got feelings, but I couldn't give a fuck. Been doing this shit for years, my cuz this here's a real profession. A skillful lesson for those who are willing to put in their fucking effort. Make no mistake, cause I'm that ticketed, competent, qualified person. Shit, I ain't never gonna let nobody try and tell me different. He's talking about his trade, eh?
Yeah, seems like it.
Okay,
yeah.
oh yeah, I was thinking, so,
I think so.
Obviously you got to be an apprentice first before you get your trades. Yeah.
Damn.
Because I was thinking, he said he's been doing this for years. Of what, music or?
I think he was talking about, yeah, it sounded like he said my brother, and I think he was talking about VILLZ, saying that he's
been doing music.
We know VILLZ's been doing music for quite a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn. Never heard of. I'm not too sure if he's Lucifer. Probably
Scaff
Lucifer.
Life, probably first.
I think that's
sorry, fuck. Edit, keep it. Lucifer.
The confidence.
He looks scary.
Yeah, damn.
As if I was finished. Dumb motherfuckers deserve to be punished. I keep it 100, just keeping it real. Avoiding the bill could easily kill. See, this is the message like lyrical bullets to everyone out there. Don't fuck with that shit cause you don't know Scaff, so get the fuck out of here. Grip, swing, click.
You're talking about scaffolding.
Drink, sleep and repeat it. Grip, swing, click, squeeze it.
So clip?
Yeah.
How you put the scaffolding up with it.
My goodness.
I mean, I don't know. I've never
I'll probably know how to do scaffolding.
I've never put it up there, but yeah, he's talking about his trade, not the music.
I feel like
drink, sleep and repeat it. So what do you know about scaffing? Cause half of these niggas just actors. When it comes down to the action, gotta be ready to catch you. Watching the team blow up the scene. Switch to steady, we stacking that green, be doing that shit. Load up the clip, my nigga, you know what it is. Easy. Truth of the matter, I'm climbing this ladder. My pockets are fatter than ever.
You know what? I didn't. I can picture, I don't know, his missus. I can picture her family.
I couldn't picture them listening to music like this. I cannot.
Yeah, and probably just laughing and mocking him.
Yeah, they're like this,
especially
and he just went like this. Hey. I could not picture, man. Like, this bro's got some balls and a mind of his own. I'm telling you that. Damn. Let's go.
Pretenders or strictly straight contenders. Respect ain't recommended. Fuck, it's a must. Unless you're running it up and running your mouth, then you won't get touched. Stop it. Swing, click, squeeze it. Sugar clip or systems. Drink, sleep and repeat it. Grip, swing, click, squeeze it. Sugar clip or systems. Drink, sleep and repeat it. Grip, swing, click, squeeze it. Sugar clip or systems. Drink, sleep and repeat it. Swing, click, squeeze it. Sugar clip or system. Drink, sleep and repeat.
Back home.
Hometown.
Drinks. Yeah, the Katie's.
No,
I've always wanted to try Katie's.
No, you don't.
It's a typical NZ drink right there. And then I'm going to say the beat is bomb. Like, the beat is bomb. I felt like they could have really did something there. Like, the chorus definitely vibed off the beat. I like the second artist. I'm guessing was Lucifer. I think he was my favorite out of the three. Yeah, his vibe was definitely, it had that intimidating vibe. I just liked it. It's, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It sort of reminds me of Stanley T's track.
Oh,
where they're at work,
yeah, reality.
Yeah, just chill, yeah. They're not going out of their way to get some fancy cars and stuff like that. Because obviously the song's about scaffolding and you know, their life. Yeah, the visuals, it's alright, you know, it's alright. It definitely could have been
okay,
a bit better, yeah.
I haven't really seen any of VILLZ's music from back then.
Yeah. I remember he had one song that was quite popular.
Oh.
I think it was Cinderella Stories. Yeah, I just feel like it was missing something. I just felt like there could have been something in there to really make it pop. Like maybe a bit more bass, like more aggressiveness into your rap. Big ups to you guys, especially Villy. You're the man for carrying on doing music and pushing it out for constant years. Honestly, takes a lot of motivation, determination to push.
Patience.
Yeah, you'll get there soon, bro. Just keep it up. Find your niche. BFMs, again, please support the bro. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I have it in the description box below for you guys to check out. Please follow their socials as well.
Give some positive love.
What you think they can work on, or what you really liked about the track. You know, it doesn't take much to share positivity, and as we say, it doesn't take much to share. And yeah.
Like, you know, like some keyboard warriors, they got so much time in the world to share hate.
Yeah.
But if they like something, they just bypass and go on to the next
song. And
always finding something to hate.
It's just like, man, that's
you all need to go and anyways.
BFMs, other than that, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.